Samsung has finally launched the Galaxy S25 FE, the fan edition that promises flagship-level features at a price that doesn't burn your wallet. At just $649, this might be one of the best value-for-money devices in 2025. Let's unbox it and see what Samsung has packed inside. Opening the box, the first thing we see is, of course, the Galaxy S25 FE itself, wrapped in that clean minimal protective sheet. Underneath, we get the SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and a Type-C cable. As expected, Samsung has skipped the charging brick again, so you'll need to use your existing one or buy separately. Taking the phone out for the first time, it immediately feels premium despite being a more affordable fan edition. The device has a sleek design, and on the front, there's a large 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This means whether you're scrolling, gaming, or streaming, you'll get that flagship Samsung experience. The bezels are slim, and the display looks stunning right out of the box. Inside, Samsung has gone with the Exynos 2400 processor for the FE this year. It's paired with up to 4,900 mAh of battery, which supports 45W wired charging and Samsung's super fast charging 2.0. So, not only do you get long battery life, but charging is also quick enough for daily use. For a fan edition, that's definitely impressive. Now, cameras are always a big talking point. On the rear, you're getting a triple camera system with a 50MP main shooter, designed to deliver high-quality photos in almost any condition. Alongside that, Samsung is pushing AI even harder this year. You've got generative edit, instant slow mo, and some smart enhancements for both photography and video. And as a bonus, Samsung is including 6 months of Gemini Advanced, their premium AI assistant, free with the device. So, overall, the Galaxy S25 FE looks like the perfect balance between premium features and affordability. You're getting a flagship-level display, powerful performance, versatile cameras, AI tools, and all-day battery, but at almost half the cost of an S25 Ultra. For many users, this could easily be the smart choice in 2025. I'll be diving deeper into its camera performance, gaming benchmarks, and battery test in the full review very soon. But for now, the first impressions are really solid. The S25 FE might just be the fan edition everyone has been waiting for. Let me know in the comments, is this the phone you'd pick in 2025?